Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you doing? I hope you are well. Today we are making Thai style salad. The ingredients are: I have mixed vegetable, 1 carrot, 1 cucumber, 1 tomato, 1 onion, 1 capsicum and half cup cabbage. Cut it into which kind of cut did you like? Make dressing. I have 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, salt. I add it salt limited amount because I use soya sauce, vinegar and lemon juice. So therefore I add salt limited amount. Thai cuisines are spicy cuisines. So therefore I use red chili in it according to your taste. If you want to add in brown sugar in it, you also add brown sugar in it. I also add brown sugar in it. Our dressing is ready, and add the dressing on the salad. Mix it well. Look at our final look of Thai style salad. Thai cuisine is a spicy cuisine. They ate spicy food like tom yum soup, any other spicy food like Thai style curries. We made Thai style curries me and tom yum soup me. Recipe last time understand. I have 1 cabbage, 1 tomato, 1 onion, 1 capsicum, 1 carrot and 1 cucumber. Cut into slice which you like. You cut the vegetable in this form. Take a big bowl, add all the vegetables on it and dressing: 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, salt unlimited amount because we use soya sauce, vinegar and lemon juice. So therefore salt used in unlimited amount, and add red chili. Mix it well and pour the dressing on the salad. Our Thai style salad is ready. It is a complete meal salad. You made this salad and ate in your dinner, lunch. If you have not hunger, you ate this salad into lunch, parties, any kind of occasions. You made this salad. It is a healthy salad. This salad is also ate the people who are on diet. Must try this salad in your home. I try it. Everything is balanced in this salad. It is incredible and heaven salad. It is heaven salad. Must try this salad in your home. You will remember me in your prayers. I will come back soon with the new recipe. Okay, bye. Daha Hafiz. Final look last time.